"FOK," said FOK, surviving once again. He always spoke on arrival, just to check he was still alive. This is FOK. FOK is a Scarlet Macaw parrot. FOK can transform into anybody and anything. Right now, he has landed, in usual fashion. Wherever he travels, he just thinks of it, and wham bam, a puff of smoke, and he leaves, and then an explosion on arrival. He was fed up with it, always singed feathers. Why couldn't he be like any normal parrot and use a car or a train? Maybe the bus? No, not the bus. This is Liverpool, and FOK is on a mission. Why FOK is on the mission, he does not know. It just has something to do with Weetabix. And here, in this moment, FOK must rid the world of the earthly Scouse plague. The birthplace of calm down, trackie bottoms and bad perms must go. FOK implements his grotesque strategy of closing Anfield and removing all footballs from Liverpool. The Scousers, male, female, reptilian and pre-Homo sapien, are disorientated, frightened and scared that Tranmere Rovers may be their best and only bet. Even the drug lords who inhabit the caverns beneath the old Albert docks arise for air and scream in despair. The vote is quickly mustered and carried, and 99% of Scousers find death as a favourable alternative. A rebellious voice screams for surrender and humbly beckons before the mighty FOK. The Scousers follow, climb out of their brand new 23-plate Ford Focusers and heed to the rebellion. Liverpool surrenders. However, one or two persistent stragglers remain. They are Evertonians who are unfamiliar with the term football. They begin to remove the tyres on the discarded Ford Focusers, but they are quickly overwhelmed by the pure numbers. They scream for union representation, which goes unheard, so they trot off to the benefits office, clutching their bad backs. FOK looks on. Liverpool is silent, quiet, junkie-free, and there's not a la in sight or sound. FOK has won the day. Liverpool is conquered, and a bowl of 3 Weetabix powers its way into FOK's vision. Once consumed, FOK is fit to fight on with added vigour. Next stop, Birmingham.